Hello guys, welcome to your channel Ray of Hope in another session of Bug Bounty Hunting Zero to Hero series. We gonna cover today some of the real-time practical scenario as we are moving forward and we are about to end our information gathering series soon. We have another one or two more tools to be covered after this session, which I'm gonna cover for sure. Today in our topic we gonna cover one tool, or you can say one way to gather the information about the website. Guys, must told you in earlier video that there was something called vaporizer, right? That we were using to get the technology info about the website, right? But it was not showing the versions that they are using, but it was showing what are the technology they are using. In details it was not showing, right? So over here the tool which I'm gonna use, which is Whatweb. Whatweb. So when I talk about Whatweb is a pretty good tool, right? And just let me just demonstrate to what I'm talking about. If I just go ahead and do Whatweb facebook.com facebook.com and just pressed enter, it may take few couple of seconds to show you the output. Just have some patience. Okay, you will find out, see, HTTP server that they are using, their IP. Just see how much details they are giving you, their IP and all those things. You will find cookies, country, HTML5 they are using, IP metaphors, next frame of options denied, a lot of things that they are giving you, right? Basically it's just a basic info. You can also do the search using the IP. Basically what I'm talking about, if I give you what wave, and let me just see my IP, which is 192.168.192.168.192.1, right? Yeah, it's that dot one. So if I just press enter to see if there any website that are hosted on my IP or not. It may take a couple of seconds. Okay, so we are getting error actually over here. Okay, so as we are getting error, that means there is no website that has been hosted on this IP address, right? To know more about this tool, Whatweb, basically what we gonna do, we gonna use Whatweb // help actually, and you will find we got a menu that how we gonna use this tool Whatweb, and what are the options, what are the info that we can get from this website. You will find in there are three levels of scanning: still, aggressive and happy. It's a default actually. Level 3 aggressive, happy makes lot of HTTP request target, right? So this we can see. Then we have plugins, we have grep, and we have logging, and we have lot of other options, right? You might not be getting that, Anuj, what you're talking about, how I can get more about this, how I can get to know what this tool exactly does, what this command actually does. So there is a command called man what wave. So once you click enter, you will find out a lot of details, like you'll find a detailed info. What web identifies website its goals is to answer the questions: what is the website, what web recognized website technologies, okay, including CMS, content management system, blogging platforms, static analytics packages, JavaScript libraries, web servers, embedded device. Whatweb has over like 1800 plugins, so each recognize something different. And Whatweb also identifies version numbers. I mean, if they're using any technology, what are their versions number, what are the email address, account ID, web framework modules, secure errors, and many more, right? It also does still, fast, and through but slow scan. It support an aggressive level scan to control the trade-off between speed and reliability. Basically, when we use a default scan, it is meant for public website. When we are going to perform a aggressive scan or faster scan, right, it means to be used by penetration tester only. And make sure you must have the permission, as we are using the aggressive scan, and as we are using aggressive scan, it will have more noise HTTP request, and no company entertain more HTTP requests unnecessary, right? So this is how you will get to know. You can read it in detail that how you're gonna use it, right? And you can just press Q to cut it. Let me clear this. Okay. So now we just done it. How we can get most out of it from this website? If I'm gonna use host google.com, we got to know the IP address. Will that work actually if I'm gonna use? So what babe, I just do what babe, I'm gonna use aggression, and I'm gonna use level 3, as I'm going, and you know, V stands for verbose, right? And then IP address 142.250.193.78. Will it return anything? Let's see. Okay. You will find out now. We are getting hell lot of details actually out of it. You can find out, right? This is pretty amazing. X-frame, XSS protection, HTTP headers, HTML5, HTTP server, HTTP only, script, X-frame. I mean, what not? We are getting every details about this website actually, right? So this is something which you can use. Command which I just used, you can see what I have done over here. I have used command whatweb aggression level 3. I could have used fast as well, but I did not. Then verbose, and I put the IP address, right? And then therefore I got the details out of it, right? Suppose sometimes when you are going to a scan, let me just do one thing. If I am going to do this 1/24, I'm getting that unnecessary error. I do not want to see any error actually, so I just do Control C, okay, and I just want to see only the output which I want, okay. I do not want to see anything which I don't want, error actually. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use no errors. Okay, not work out. I think okay, we got it. So the basic things, guys, I would like to tell you now. You just see, right, that even I was facing issue, right? So it is not obvious that every time I am doing a search I will get the output only. So troubleshooting something is a skills that you guys need to develop in order to be a good penetration tester or a bug bounty hunter, right? Can you find, did I get any error over there? No, I did not, right? That's what I wanted to convey with this tool. This is one of the really amazing tool. The one, once you master this tool, you will be, oh my god, this is just it is one of the best free tool which is available for a penetration tester, right? So this is all about today. I wish you good luck and see you in next session. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.